In today's video, I am going to teach you how to dynamically insert images into Canva. We'll walk through using frames so your pictures snap perfectly into shapes and layouts, making updates quick and professional. Start by opening your design in Canva so you are inside the editor. You'll see the main canvas in the center and the tools in the left-hand side panel. Next, add a frame. Frames act like placeholders that automatically crop your image to a shape. In the left panel, click Elements. In the search bar at the top, type the word frame. Browse the options, single shapes like circles and phones or grid layouts if you want multiple slots. Click a frame to add it, or drag it onto your design and position it where you want. You can resize it by dragging the corners, just like any other object, and rotate it if that fits your layout. Now it's time to add an image. If you are using your own picture, go to the Uploads tab in the left panel. Click Upload Files, then choose an image from your device. After it uploads, it appears in your Uploads library, ready to use. If you prefer a stock photo, open the Photos or Elements tab and search Canva's library with a simple keyword. You'll see a range of results you can preview right in the panel. To place the image, click and drag it over the frame on your canvas. When you are directly over the frame, you'll notice a subtle highlight that shows it's ready to snap. Release your mouse, and the image will automatically conform to the frame's shape. If you want to try a different image, just drag another one over the same frame and it will swap in instantly. For fine-tuning, double-click the image inside the frame. This opens the adjustment view where you can reposition to center the subject or move it for better balance. Use the corner handles to scale the photo while keeping proportions intact. When you are happy with the composition, click Done to apply the changes. If something looks off, repeat the double-click to adjust again until it feels right. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.